everybody? Welcome back to Hey Kids, Let's Draw. We are excited. We have a special guest tonight, the one and only Patrick Mahomes, everybody, Super Bowl champion 2020. This is Kimball, and his favorite player is who?
Patrick Mahomes.
Patrick Mahomes, the Kansas City Chiefs. So tonight we thought we would draw Patrick Mahomes, fun Funko Pop style. So let's get to it. Hey kids, let's draw. Patrick Mahomes style. All right, everybody, football fans, you guys ready to draw Patrick Mahomes? Here we go. We're gonna start out with a black Sharpie just to get the outline of the figure here. And once again, we're gonna do kind of a fun Funko Pop style Patrick Mahomes. So we're gonna start by doing a big kind of round face. So I'll start with the top, go down, and up. Good job. Now we'll kind of do some ears on the side. Good job. Now Patrick Mahomes has this bandana that connects his head. So top of the ear, we'll do a round up to the other ear. He's known for wearing that Kansas City Chiefs bandana, huh, Kimball?
Uh-huh.
All right. And let's do a couple of big, giant, fun circle eyes. So we'll do one over here. Good job. And we'll try to line them up. So the top of that eye is going to come over here somewhere. And we'll do another set of eyes. Or another eye, sorry. Oops, my hand kind of smeared that marker. Oh well. And let's do a little nose. Should we do the highlights?
Mm-hmm.
Let's do a big highlight and a little highlight. Big highlight and a little highlight. Let's color those in, okay? Start to bring Patrick Mahomes to life, right? Like he's in our own living room. What do you like most about Patrick Mahomes, Kimball?
Throwing.
His throwing. He's got one of the strongest arms in the NFL, huh?
I have a strong arm too.
You do, huh? Are you the next Patrick Mahomes?
Kinda.
Yeah? Who does Patrick Mahomes throw to a lot?
Tyreek.
Tyreek who?
Hill.
Tyreek Hill, right? Who else?
Sammy Watkins and Travis Kelce.
Sammy Watkins and Travis Kelce, you're right. We are excited to see them.
And Matthew.
Oh, Matthew, Tyrann Matthew
Yeah.
on defense, huh? He's a good defender. Okay, there.
I even have cards of them.
You do, don't you? Let's do we're gonna start this headband, 2 lines up. And the headband's gonna form into Patrick Mahomes' iconic hairstyle, right? Everybody knows Patrick Mahomes by his hair. He's got some puffy hair going up. Just kind of make some fun hair there. Okay, and he has this long kind of dangly piece that's gonna hang down right here. So watch what I do. I'm gonna do a couple of ups, and then a dangly piece that dangles down and goes up. That's kind of what he's known for, huh? And then some more. All right, that's looking awesome. So should we do the Chiefs logo? We'll do a little Chiefs logo right here in his headband. Down, over, down, over, up. Okay, here we go. It's gonna be an arrowhead. Point, and connect that point up there. Good job.
Kind of looks like fishy.
We'll leave that open for now. All right, let's draw. You know, he's gonna be holding the football, so I'm gonna draw the football first because it's gonna be kind of sticking out to the crowd. So let's do a down and bring that football up. Good job. Now over here, he has 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. Holding on to that football. And one thumb over here, kind of holding on to that football. Bring that arm up there. Good job. Now here's his shoulder pads right here. Bring a square shoulder pad right into his chin. And another square shoulder pad down there. And we'll bring this shoulder pad in and arm down. Good job. This is kind of his neck looking thing. That can be his neck or his goatee, huh? His chin beard. Let's bring that shirt down. Bring that shirt over. And now let's draw his hand kind of standing out right here. So he's got 1 finger, 2 finger, 3 finger. We're only doing 3 fingers because cartoons only have 3 fingers, huh? And this is just our cartoon Patrick Mahomes. There's his thumb. Let's do a wristband because he likes to wear these white wristbands. Okay, and we'll come up here to his elbow and up here to his bicep. Okay, and here's the edge of his jersey. And we're gonna go down. There we go. And he has stripes over here, huh? Stripes on the edge of his jersey. There's one. A big one in the middle. We'll color those in a minute. And we'll bring another one over here. Big one in the middle. How we doing?
Good.
Good. This football doesn't look like a football. Let's bring that line, kind of curve the point. Connect the points with a curve. Good. Now what number is Patrick Mahomes?
15.
15. So let's do a number 1. This is going to be kind of a football number, huh? So down, over, down big, over to the left, down, over, up, over a little bit, and a big up top, over, connect. Yeah, that looks great. Okay, let's do a 5 because we gotta add that. So let's go down, over, down, over, up, over. These are fun. Down, diagonal down, over, diagonal up, diagonal up, over, up. Wow, this was a lot of work. Whoa, that took a lot. Okay, let's do his belt. Down, and follow that waistline over to his hand. Boop, that was easy. Okay, let's do this leg and his foot. Let's do a big leg. Bring that over. These are kind of short, chubby legs because it's just a cartoon version. Okay. The other leg comes down, over, and connect it up to his hand area. Good, now let's draw these socks. Another one over here. Should we draw the cleats now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Laces, laces, laces. Big shoe. Look at those big feet. I should have drawn mine a little higher. Let's draw some cleats. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good job. Let's do the other side. Big cleat coming up. Laces, laces, laces. One, 2, 3, 4. Do you think Patrick Mahomes is going to make it to the Super Bowl?
Definitely.
Definitely. I think you're probably right. He's kicking everybody's butts, huh?
Uh-huh.
All right. So, should we color this puppy?
Uh-huh.
We should probably do some eyebrows. Let's do these eyebrows real quick. We'll draw them up. Pointy, point. Down. He looks kind of serious, huh? That's okay. Because he's ready to win the game. Okay. You ready to fast forward color this?
Uh-huh.
Let's do it. On your mark, get set.